Hello viewers. You are watching Game Designer Yasir Ahmed and I am Yasir Ahmed. This is part 2 of our virus making series. If you not see our part 1, then check the description. I will give you the link of part 1 in the description of the video. In this video we will make a virus which make unlimited folders on the desktop of computer. This virus is a harmless virus. Open the notepad and then type the code. I give this code in the description of the video. Type code and save file as .bat. If you don't subscribe our channel, please kindly subscribe our channel to get latest updates. If you like this video, then share with your friends. Let's get started. Save the file in extension .bat. Thanks for watching. Waiting for next video.